In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your dashboards in Hubspot. We'll take you through everything from logging in to managing dashboards, ensuring you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Let's get started by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot website URL. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll find a variety of features and tools designed to enhance your business operations. But for today, our focus will be on managing dashboards. Now look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Log In. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along with these instructions. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home, which serves as your central hub for all things business related. With your access granted, let's dive into the details. On the Hubspot homepage, you might notice various features highlighted. Our focus, however, is to navigate directly toward managing reports. So let's find the section marked Reports. Clicking on Reports will bring you a step closer to accessing your dashboards. You'll notice a series of options appear, catering to different analytic needs. From here, click on Dashboards. Dashboards are an essential Hubspot feature, allowing you to visualize and monitor key metrics and data points in one consolidated view. Once you're on the dashboard page, look for the option titled Create Dashboard. Clicking this will open up a new set of options, inviting you to build and customize dashboards to fit your business objectives. After setting up your dashboard, there's the option to exit the creation mode. You can do this by clicking on Exit, bringing you back to a more general overview of your dashboard functionalities. Now that you've created your dashboard, you might want to manage it further. On this note, click on Manage Dashboards. This step is crucial as it allows you to modify, update or remove dashboards according to your evolving needs. This management feature not only helps keep your data organized, but ensures that you're focusing on the metrics that matter most to your business. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to effectively create and manage dashboards in HubSpot. Dashboards are a powerful tool to keep track of your company's performance metrics and offer invaluable insights at a glance. Whether you're analyzing sales, marketing efficiency, or other critical data, these dashboards will serve as a vital asset as you drive your business forward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you harness the full potential of HubSpot analytics.